Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this incredible sleeper sofa from Vipbear. It has a pull-out bed, hidden storage, and it is modular and USB ports are on the side. This has backrests that you can adjust and this really amazing, super soft but super sturdy chenille material that is perfect for families, even families with pets. This is tool-free assembly. I have a whole video on that. If you want to see it, you can check that out. I was gifted this L-shaped sofa, which is really perfect for large and small rooms alike. It is very petite and compact if you need that, but it pulls out into a very large and very comfortable sleeper sofa or bed. I love the convenience of the charging port on the side, no fumbling behind the couch to find where to charge your devices. This fits my family of 4 comfortably. This is how easy it is to put away that sleeper sofa portion, and now you just have that L shape. Again, can't say enough about this material. It's so nice with pets. Peppa likes to scratch, and this material has held up very, very well. Really easy to clean and very easy maintenance. If you are a family like mine, you have lots of blankets, lots of pillows, love this hidden storage so that you can just store everything and keep your house looking neat and tidy. Here are some close-up looks of all of the details and the fabric. There are the feet and the material is great. I love that you have that nice wide armrest, super cushiony back cushions, firmer cushions for the seat, really easy to open storage that is very, very deep. And it just looks so chic. There is where you are going to charge all of your devices. The backs on this recline from 90 to 150 degrees, so you can really find the best posture for you. This also just comes out so easily to make this into a sleeper sofa or to just sort of have that built-in chaise. We can't say enough great things about this couch. We are absolutely loving it. It comes in a couple of different colors, so check that out. And again, it also comes in a U-shaped design if you want something even bigger. We love it and think you will too. Check it out.